To access parent-teacher conferences through Skyward, we're going to go into Family Access and find the Conferences tab. Once we click there, we're going to see all of our high school students listed. We can go to the All Conferences button next to one of their names to see all of the classes that they are in this year. And for each class, we can go to Schedule a Time. It's important to remember that we schedule group conferences. So we're going to look for a common time in everybody's schedule that is free. So here we're looking at 4 o'clock for each one of these 3 teachers. This teacher does have it open. We'll go to the next teacher and we will see that they also have a 4 o'clock slot open. But when we go to the third teacher, you're going to notice that they do not have a 4 o'clock slot. So we look for the next available, 5:20. Now, we need to go back to those other teachers' schedules and double check that they also have a 5:20 time slot available. And it looks like they do. So once we have found a common time between all of the teachers that we want to meet with, we're going to select that time on each one of their schedules. We'll get this confirmation screen and we'll save it, and you'll see that we now have a scheduled conference for 5:20 on Tuesday. Now again, I need to go back to the other teachers and I need to select them, go to that 5:20 slot and select it. Here you will see a warning just letting us know that we already have a slot scheduled for 5:20, but that's okay. That's exactly what we want to have happen. So now we can see we have this scheduled conference with 2 different teachers. Clicking on the View Schedule Time links will show you the ability to unschedule a conference and to add notes. These notes can then be read by the teacher prior to the conference. Once you have that all filled in, you can print a schedule of all of your conferences for all of your students if you'd like.